Have you ever heard about zero-coupon bonds? Why would one buy them if they have a big zero in its name? Well, the name could be misleading here. Let's watch this video for what do zero-coupon bonds mean.
Have you ever wondered how to cultivate future wealth quietly? Let's dive into the world of zero-coupon bonds. These are unique bonds that do not make periodic interest payments. Instead, they are issued at a discount, and when they mature, you receive the full face value. These bonds are perfect for those looking for a long-term investment. The charm of zero-coupon bonds lies in their simplicity and potential for significant long-term growth. Zero-coupon bonds may seem a bit unusual, but their unique characteristics can make them an attractive investment. Let's begin by talking about compound growth. Unlike most traditional bonds, zero-coupon bonds don't pay interest periodically. Instead, they are issued at a discount to face value, and the interest effectively compounds until maturity. This means you purchase the bond for less than its face value, and at maturity, you receive the full face value. Next up is the fixed maturity date. It's a predetermined date when you'll receive your initial investment plus the accrued interest. Remember, you won't receive any interest payments before this date. You might be wondering, why buy a bond at a discount? This is where the charm of these bonds lies. You know exactly what you're getting on your investment at the outset, making it a predictable long-term investment. But there's a catch. They are sensitive to interest rate changes. If rates rise, the value of your bond could drop. Despite their sensitivity to interest rates, zero-coupon bonds can be a powerful tool in your investment portfolio. Investing in zero-coupon bonds offers several benefits. And what are these benefits? Let's dive right in. Firstly, the potential for capital appreciation. Since you purchase these bonds at a discount, but receive the full face value at maturity, the difference equates to capital appreciation. Secondly, diversification. Adding zero-coupon bonds to your portfolio can provide a balance to other, more volatile investments. Lastly, tax efficiency. While you don't receive periodic interest payments, you're allowed to report a prorated portion of the interest each year for tax purposes. Now, how do we calculate the return? It's simple. You subtract the purchase price from the face value, divide it by the purchase price, and then raise it to the power of 1 divided by the number of years until maturity. With these benefits, zero-coupon bonds can be a great way to quietly cultivate future wealth. So, what does this all mean for you? In essence, zero-coupon bonds are a unique and advantageous investment vehicle. They offer no periodic interest payments, but instead are issued at a discount, maturing to their full face value over time. This allows for compound growth as your initial investment quietly cultivates wealth for the future. Their distinct characteristics, such as a fixed maturity date and sensitivity to interest rates, make them an appealing choice for diversifying your portfolio. On top of that, the capital appreciation and tax efficiency they offer further enhance their appeal. With zero-coupon bonds, you can invest today and reap the benefits tomorrow, because in the world of finance, patience truly is a virtue.
So you would have understood by now that coupon is another name for interest. In the old days, when bonds were a document on printed papers, they used to print coupons along with the main bond document. Investors had to submit the coupon at the counter to get interest payment, hence, interest is also called as coupon. Interesting. Watch out for more such videos on my FinHub. Stay connected. Cheers.